Hi everyone, welcome to the session of Matrices and Vectors with Python. In this session, we will deal with how to flatten a matrix. So as usual, we'll import the numpy, I'll execute this and then we'll create a matrix. Matrix is equal to np.random.randint. We'll create element from 0 to 9, comma. So as usual, we'll import the numpy package and after that, we'll create a matrix with random and then from there, we'll create a matrix of 5 into 5 order. Okay, and we'll execute this. What is our matrix? If we want to check what is the content of the matrix. Okay, so this is our matrix. If you want to flatten, what does it you flatten means? Flatten means if you have all the elements will come in one line, like 51605 followed by 76815. This will come in one line. I'll show this example and then you will understand. So print matrix dot. Now if we execute this, so all the elements, all this, every row will become like till here is 5, then followed by 76815, followed by 28265, followed by 78621, then 18270. So this is how we use flatten and we get the content of the matrix. We'll try it with some other. We'll again use the same matrix and then we'll give say this matrix 1 and this is matrix 1. Execute it now. So these are the content of the matrix. Okay, I hope you understand this video, a very short video. Okay, and these are the things which will play a big role when we are doing the machine learning. These are the part of the linear algebra. So thanks a lot for watching the session. If you feel this video is helpful, please press the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.